Hey everybody, wanted to do a quick video about sump pumps. So here we've got a pedestal style sump pump, and this is the switch that'll engage the sump pump to make it run. The float, when the water level rises, will raise this up and this will engage the float. But what we see here at the water level, you can see that is already over the drain tile. This should be adjusted, moved up so that it kicks on earlier, because right now water's sitting in the drain tile, and then we'll see all kinds of stains along the block wall because of that. So it's a real simple fix. You're just loosening the screw, move this up higher so the sump pump kicks on earlier, and that way water isn't sitting in your drain tile trying to come into your basement.